Today I'm going to show you how to change the attachments on a Wahl Micro Groomsman lithium ear and nose hair trimmer. So in order to change the attachments, see I have attachments here and here, you're going to have to first remove the cap. Pretty obvious, but I feel like I should share this because there's someone out there that doesn't know. So I take this off and I have the attachment exposed. I can go ahead and use this attachment right here, or I can go ahead and slap on a comb or a guard on this so I can use this on my furry eyebrows. But in order to change this to the ear and nose hair trimmer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off, and then right here I'm going to hold the base of the Wahl men's groomer, Micro Groomer Men lithium, mouthful, and I'm going to take my hand on the top of the attachment, twist it counterclockwise, pull up, and this comes off. Now I'm going to put the ear and nose hair trimmer. I'm just going to simply place this on top. Might have to turn it around, turn it a little bit until you find the grooves, or you can look in there to find the grooves. And once in there, I'm going to take this, twist it clockwise, and I have a new attachment on. Now to take this one off, you just go the opposite way, pull it off like that, or to put it back on, you do what you did the first time. Once you have it on there, go ahead and put the cap on, if you so choose to. And that is how you change the attachments on a Micro Groomsman lithium. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.